On this video, I'll be talking to you about my favorite soap in the world. So check this out.
How deep can we go?
Hi guys! Burns here. By the way, thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel, and also thank you so much sa pag-like sa akong Facebook page, and because of that, I'm very thankful yet. And today's video, I will be featuring my most favorite soap in the world, and this is it. This is COCO CIDER soap, guys. This is antibacterial, antioxidant, antifungal, guys. And then, you know what, guys? I've been religiously using this soap for 8 months. Like, 8 straight months, gid. Like, wala na ko ilaing gid try nga soap, kundi kanilang gid siya, gid. Ang ko napansin una sa iya, isang packaging. Like, classy kayo siya. Classy because ako gakain lang ko og packaging. Anything that comes with a package nga color black, ganahan gid ko na gid. So one good thing is ganahan gid ko ani because colored black magid siya. So yeah, black. And also ganahan gid ko sa iya kay una sa diri pa lang sa likod pa lang is na mga description niya. Makita ninyo ang description, and it says here natural, raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized cocoa cider vinegar is known globally, especially in tropical countries, in providing many health benefits to the skin. This soap preparation is also powered with recognized intense skin whitening and brightening agents such as koji carica papaya enzyme and Bellis perennis daisy flower. Dili na ko mag-istorya kung unsa ang mga naa sa iyang packaging, gid, guys, because you know what? Makita na gid nimo tanan diri. Look, oh. Oh, diba? Like, guys, if I were you, kung gusto ninyo i-try, try it now. And also, ako na po ipagawas dire. Ako na po i-describe sa inyo, guys, kung unsa ang feeling nga makagamit ani. So, unang-una, ako sang i-open. I-open ako ang soap. So, this is it. This is the box. And this is the soap. Yeah. Yan. And then, akong i-open na yung package. So this is it. Yeah, back to basic. I think this is back to basic. Yeah. And una nga mapansin ako sa again is very fragrant. Like, grabe ka humot yun. Like, humot kay siya. It's so humot. Pero kabalo ka nga, humot siya, pero kabulugid ka nga, dili bitaw harmful sa imong skin. Kaya usually, ang mga soap or any kanang cosmetics nga na ay scent, murag lahi na din nilang impression about it ba. Pero for this, like, oh my god, I've been using this soap for 8 straight months. So, magiging problema gid ba. Yes, I know, nakoy mga pimples gamay. Nakoy, because, you know, every day is, every time you go out of the house, digi malikayan gid nga you are prone to pollution, abog, or dust, and all. So, you know what, guys, I won't be talking about the whitening or brightening effect, pero I will be talking about how healthy your skin gets if mag-apply ka ani nga soap. It's because, yes, I understand na ako'y some pimples, pero dili kasi nga naka big deal because I know mga 2 days wala na ni siya. So ingana ko ka confidence sa produkto yun. And also, ako po din na-share sa ako mga friends. So far, ang ilang feedback ay puros yun positive. Like, I'm so excited gid kung unsa ang ilang madangatan po by using this product. I'm so thankful yun. By the way, thank you so much to Back to Basic yun. I don't know how to say it, but Bako to Basic, like you know, by the time I got my order, it comes with this. It comes with a flyer. So that's it. I think nga ni Bako to Basic siguro ni siya. Bako to Basic or Bako to Basic Manila. So every time you order soap from them, naagi ni siya pirmi ang flyers. Yeah, diri na mo makita ang mga benefits. So yeah. Benefits are intense skin whitening, skin rejuvenation, anti-aging, clears skin blemishes, treats melasma based on testimonies from the customers, and it lightens scar. It is also antifungal, antibacterial, and antioxidant. So ako confident ko yun by using this product. Sooner or later, ano lang yun, I will achieve healthy skin. And you know what, guys? To be able to get the healthy skin, a healthy outside starts from the inside. So, una, you need to drink a lot of water. You need to get 8 hours of sleep. You need to exercise. And kung maligo na gani ka, you need a partner. You need a parang imong katabang sa imong pagligo, di ba? Using this soap for 8 straight months now, like makaingig ko nga nakatipid ko. Why? Because I can use this on my body and I can also use this on my face. Like what? Asa pa man ka. Like you don't need facial wash for this. You need this for whole body, like as simple as that. So if I were you, sa mga wala pa naka-try, try na gid ya. Sa mga wala pa kasuway, panuway na gid mong tanan. So yeah, yes, I'm so thankful I have met this product. It's because nakatabang ikini siya gid. Sa una, I used to buy mga nasa leading supermarkets na mga soap. Pero now that I met this, like, wala na akong hahanapin pang iba. Sao na lang yun. And also, by the way, na-display bago din nga soap. Na-display bago nga product di ay. So, aside sa COCO CIDER, na-din siya. Yeah. This, Moringa Leaf Luta Soap. See, I will try this sooner or later, pero ganahan gikay ko sa COCO CIDER gid. So, I think mag-focus lang sa gid ko sa COCO CIDER gid. So, yeah. You know what? I said to myself, I think I found the partner gid for my skin. So katong mga pangutana sa ako kung sa akong skincare, like, believe it or not, kanil lang yun ang akong skincare lang yun, like, for my face and for my body yun. Like, this is so safe for your skin and it's all organic. So don't panic, it's organic.